How to share PowerPoint presentation to Instagram directly. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to share PowerPoint presentation document to Instagram. Very easy and fast from the app. First thing, go to the app of PowerPoint. Now choose the document that you want to share. I'm gonna choose this one. Now it will take you to this page. Go to the top right here, click on the share option and it will take you here. Now click on share as link and click on edit link. Now swipe right until you find the Instagram here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.